Hello, my name is Hernandariolo Bertel. Today I am going to about the painting self-portrait with Bandage AR by Vincent Van Gogh. I chose the topic of the technology because I use the artificial intelligence to recreate the painting. In this presentation, I'll compare Vincent Van Gogh with today's technology and explain how this project helped me understand about the culture. This painting is called Self-Portrait with Bandage Air. It's also painting by Vincent van Gogh in 1889 in France. It is one of his most famous self-portraits. I chose this painting because it shows strength, emotion, and the determination. The color and the erratic style make it very special. During Van Gogh's time, technology was very different from today. Artists painting everything by hand, using brushing paint and canvas. There were no computers, smartphone or artificial intelligence. Creating a portrait required many words, a lot of patience and great artistic skill. Today technology just changed the way people create are we can with computer, mobile phones and AI tools to create images is in you a few seconds. For this project I uploaded my phone and with artificial intelligence to recreate when a Van Gogh painting. I think the result is the very is treating because it combines traditional art guys modern technology. There are some important differences between France in 1889 and Colombia today. In Van Gogh time, artistic only with traditional material and technology was very limited. In Colombia today, people with technology every day for studying, working and creating art. However, both um, culture value, creativity, imagination, and artistic expression. My opinion, technology is very useful tool. It helps people learn, communicate, and create new ideas. However, I believe the artificial technology cannot replace human creativity and emotion. These projects let me learn more about Vincent van Gogh, technology and important of the different cultures. Thanks.